It is so mouth-wateringly good. I'm Sara Lynn, and today I'm sharing an easy but impressive recipe that's perfect for holiday breakfast and great for serving a crowd. It's my bacon, kale, and Parmesan breakfast baguette, and you won't believe how simple it is to prepare. To get started, I'm going to be prepping my delicious ACE Bakery baguette. These baguettes are my favorite because they're made with simple ingredients using traditional French techniques. Now, if you don't have a baking sheet large enough to accommodate a full baguette like this, you can always go ahead and use 2 ACE demi-baguettes instead. Next, I'll use a sharp paring knife to hollow out my baguette. Not to worry about wasting the excess baguette, you can always go ahead and turn it into croutons or even add it to your holiday stuffing recipe. So I've got a nice big skillet heating up over medium-high heat, and to that, I'm going to be adding 4 slices of bacon that I've given a chop to. Just as that bacon starts to crisp up, I'm gonna go ahead and add some minced garlic to my pan, as well as a couple big handfuls of chopped kale. I'll cook that up just until that kale starts to wilt down a little bit. Next, I'm just combining some eggs with a little bit of heavy cream, a little bit of salt, and some pepper as well. Give this a really good beat. Now it's time to bring it all together. I'll add about half of my freshly grated Parmesan cheese, load in that amazing bacon and kale mixture, pour in my egg mixture, sprinkle on my remaining Parmesan cheese, and then this is ready to hit the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 30 and 35 minutes. Allow it to cool for 3 to 5 minutes before slicing it up. This delicious dish is rich, creamy, and decadent enough to be worthy of a holiday breakfast. I hope you and your family love it as much as I do.